Hello, and we are at the Sky Tax Partners tax software demo screen to show you how user-friendly software can be very helpful. So we're going to start by logging in. It'll ask you for your username, so the username that you're provided and the password that you create. You'll go ahead and log in. And usually when you log in, it's a two-step verification, which it will send a verification to your number on file or either the email on file. But after you do that, this is the site that pops up and it will say welcome to you right here. It'll have the year of the tax program. It'll have your name right here as the current user. And here's a log out. Here's a log out button that you can click in case you need to log out and log back in. But this is a basic dashboard that you come to when you first log in. You'll see start new return, import app user, client search, and you may see review returns just depending on how your office is set up. Right here we have the message center and the rejected clients tab, which in the message center is used to communicate between the offices with other tax preparers in your office if you have any, or office managers. This is the rejected client section where a rejected acknowledgement clients will go, and you'll be able to see what were the reasons for the rejected acknowledgements. Over here on the left hand side, you see the Sky Tax Partners logo. This is a features menu that we have for easy accessibility. Here's the main menu tab, which if you're on any of these, you can just click main menu and it'll bring you right back to your dashboard. Right here we have client statuses. When you click that, if you have any clients in your system, you will see them right here. You'll see their first and last name and social. You'll be able to click the client and see their status, You'll be able to see all of that right here if you had any clients in here. So you can click out of that. Here's an e-file opt-out form that you want to click. If a client chooses not to e-file their return, but they want to paper file their return, this is a PDF file that you may fill and submit. Sorry, I skipped a tab. This is the IRS website. You'll be able to click that, and as you can see, it opens up the website for the IRS. And then the right-hand corner is for tax pros. So it might be a lot of helpful information that you can get from this IRS website tab. Next, we have the IRS mailing addresses. If you were, again, not e-filing, but you were doing a paper return, it has, information on how you can get the addresses. You'll just choose the state and it'll give you the addresses depending on if it's a regular 1040 or if it's a 1040X amended return. Next, we have the IRS publication instructions and fill-in form that's built in the site that you can go to, and you just click on the publications or the instructions of the forms, and it'll give you instructions on how to fill in that form. If you're having technical issues, here's a technical support number that you will call. When you call the number, the tech may want to do a remote assistance through the software. So if they do, you will click this. After you have them on the phone, and you'll provide your name and the support key that the agent provides you with, and they'll be able to access your screen in the software and see what's going on. Next, we have a really great feature, which is my favorite, the software training videos. You'll click the ProWeb navigation training. It's just a training, a few videos on how to navigate the software. First time logging in, home screen navigation, starting a new return, quick refund calculator, things like adding bank products on the e-file page. It shows you how to do that. The customer portal, client portal. It also has the due diligence, how to navigate that. Also, how to put in education credits or Schedule C's, Schedule B's, first time home buyers credit. It has a lot of helpful videos that can train you on the software application for extensions and also amended accepted client returns right here. So this is a very helpful feature that you can click on and use. It's built in the software. In the last tab, we have the refund calculator. So if you wanted to give your client a quick estimate, you'll just fill in the information. Just going to do a sample one real quick. Head of household, we're going to put in the age and answer the questions. We're going to say she has 2 dependents. So when you click that, it's 2 other pieces of information that you need to fill in. If they qualify for EIC or CTC, which is Earned Income Credit or Child Tax Credit. And we'll say that both of these dependents do qualify for that. And if you have a W-2, you'll enter who does the W-2 belong to, which in this case is only one tax client. It's only one taxpayer, one taxpayer on this one because it's head of household. It's not a married filing jointly or filing separately. So you'll put the wages from box number 1, which we're going to use wages $12,500, and then you'll put the federal withholdings, which in this case we're going to use $1,000. If you have an additional W-2, you'll click that. If not, you'll go to all of the other tabs to see if they apply to the taxpayer. But if they don't, you just keep going through and you go to the results, which it was always populating right here in the right-hand corner. And you can go down in this number a little bit because this is basically a rough estimate, just a little rough estimate of, a refund being calculated. And also to get back to the main menu, you'll just click main menu and it'll take you right back to your desktop where you began. And so, yeah, this was just a little small preview of the software that Sky Tax Partners offer to help you be successful and for your convenience and with our program. Thank you.